안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Today, let's learn about double consonants and double final consonants. Double consonants first. The 5 double consonants 그, 드, b, s, and z are formed by doubling the basic consonants 그, 드, p, s, z. And the double consonants 그, 드, b, s, and z have a tensed sound. And when producing this sound, the vocal cords are tightened. The first double consonant is 끄, 끄, 까, 꼬, 깨. Next one is 뜨, 뜨, 따, 떠, 또. And this is 뿌, 뿌, 빠, 부, 삐. And 스, 스, 싸, 서, 시, 즈, 즈, 짜, 주, 제. Now that we've learned the 5 double consonants, let's learn some basic words that include these consonants. 아빠, dad. 찌개, Korean style stew. 시. She is used when addressing someone, typically attached to a full name or given name like 박서준 씨, 서준 씨. And it has a similar meaning to Mr. or Ms. 빵, bread. 싸요. 싸요 is a descriptive verb meaning to be cheap. 비싸요, to be expensive. 예뻐요, to be pretty. 바빠요, to be busy. 아저씨. 아저씨 is used in Korea to refer to a middle-aged man. However, because she says it may not always be appropriate to call a stranger 아저씨. When someone's title is uncertain, you can call the other party as 선생님, which is similar to sir or ma'am. 쓰레기, garbage. From now on, let me explain about double final consonants. Sometimes two consonants are written together as double final consonants. Double final consonants are pronounced as either the first one or the last consonant of the pair. Generally, in the sequence of Hangul consonants, 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 부, 스, 으, 즈, 츠, 크, 트, 프, 흐. The one that comes first is the one that is pronounced. For example, 8 is the native Korean number for 8, and in the double final consonants, 르브, the first one 르 is pronounced because 르 comes before 부 in the order of Hangul consonants. And 닭 means the animal chicken, and 고기 means meat. So 닭고기 refers to chicken meat. In the final consonant 르그 of 닭, the 그 is pronounced because it comes before 르 in the order of consonants. When the double final consonant is followed by a vowel, the first consonant of the double final consonant is pronounced as a final consonant, and the second consonant maintains its original sound, and it is pronounced as the initial sound of the following syllable. For example, this is pronounced as 달기, 달기. Today, we've learned about the double consonants and double final consonants. And with this, we have covered all 40 Hangul consonants and vowels. I hope that the Hangul videos of 오로지 한국어 have helped you become fluent in reading and writing Hangul. 감사합니다. Thank you.